If you're wondering how to clean a burnt baking tray, a few simple ingredients from home are enough. Toothpaste helps dissolve grease. Sprinkle baking soda over the surface. It neutralizes odors and works as a gentle abrasive. Squeeze lime juice and rub in circular motions. Its acid helps break down burnt residue. Pour in some cola, whose ingredients help soften dried grime. Add more baking soda and vinegar. Their foaming reaction lifts dirt from the surface. Scrub the burnt areas. Place paper towels on top and pour over some cleaning cream to boost the degreasing effect. Spray with vinegar. Add dish soap and baking soda. Then grate gray soap directly onto the tray. Cover again with paper towels so the ingredients can work longer. Sprinkle dishwasher tablet powder, which removes even stubborn burns. Spray the paper with vinegar and add salt. Apply another layer of toothpaste and pour cola over it. Spray with vinegar, sprinkle baking soda, and spray vinegar again. The reaction removes the last traces of grime. Fold the paper in half. Finally, wipe everything with a damp cloth. The tray regains its shine, and stubborn burnt residue disappears, leaving the surface clean and refreshed. If you don't have space for a dishcloth, stop leaving it on the sink. All you need is a simple rubber band. Stretch the band around the faucet. Thanks to its elasticity, it stays firmly in place and won't slip during use. It takes up no space, dries faster, and is always right where you need it. Place a whole chicken fillet into a jar filled with water. Then break the pasta in half and put it into a second jar. Tightly screw the lids on both jars. Place them in the dishwasher along with the dirty dishes. Close it, and run your usual program. Once the dishwasher finishes, take the jars out. As you can see, inside you'll find perfectly cooked ingredients. You end up with a ready meal while saving time and electricity by using a single cycle to do two things at once. Crispy onions from a jar. One small detail can make them cause heartburn. I slice 5 large onions into thin strips, place them in a bowl, pour cold water over them, and add a few ice cubes. I let them sit for 20 minutes. The ice reduces the sharpness, and the texture becomes nicely crunchy. Then I drain the onions and season them. I add a pinch of oregano, chopped chives, and fresh parsley. I drizzle a few teaspoons of olive oil over everything. Finally, I add some lemon juice and a bit of grated lemon zest for extra flavor. I transfer the mixture into a jar and add a bit of the liquid from the bowl. I seal the jar and leave it in the fridge overnight. The next day, the flavors have fully developed. These onions are perfect with lunch, grilled dishes, or sandwiches. No vitamin supplement will do as much for you as this salad in just 1 week. Eat it every day. No more stubborn labels. With this simple trick, stickers disappear in no time. Rub a little oil onto the jar, then sprinkle it with salt. The salt works like a natural scrub and easily removes sticky residue. Massage it in with circular motions, and the label will come right off. Finally, rinse the glass under running water. Your jar will be clean and clear, without scrubbing or harsh chemicals. Add eggs to instant noodle pasta. In this recipe, you'll use it in a completely different way. Pour about 1 quart of hot water into a large bowl. Add vegetable seasoning and dried dill for a flavorful, aromatic base. Stir and add 2 blocks of instant noodles. Let them sit for about 5 minutes until the noodles expand. Meanwhile, prepare the egg mixture. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add pepper and other favorite spices. Mix well to create an egg mixture that will bind everything and add a creamy texture. Cut about 4 ounces of your favorite ham into small pieces. In a pan with a little olive oil, sauté the ham until lightly browned. Drain the noodles and transfer them to a bowl. Add the egg mixture, sautéed ham, and shredded yellow cheese. Mix everything well. Transfer it all to a heated pan with olive oil. Spread the noodles evenly and cover with a lid. Cook over low heat for 10 minutes. After that, add another layer of shredded cheese on top. Cover briefly until it melts. Finally, sprinkle with fresh parsley for color and freshness. Transfer to a plate and it's ready. A delicious noodle skillet bake you can make in minutes. Quick, cheap, and really tasty, perfect for lunch or dinner. You'll never buy cheese from the store again. a natural homemade cheese with no hidden additives or preservatives. Start by placing cheesecloth over a large glass jar. Pour about 1 gallon of whole milk through the cloth. Then add 2 egg yolks and strain them through as well. The yolks will make the cheese silky and creamy. Add a bit of salt to taste and mix well with a whisk. Next, add some Greek yogurt. It gives the cheese a rich flavor and aroma. Stir everything together. Place the jar in a pot lined with a kitchen towel and fill the pot with water up to about halfway up the jar. Cook on medium heat for about 40 minutes. Strain the curdled milk through the cheesecloth and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. After that, your cheese is ready. The taste is incredible. Firm texture, perfect for slicing. Serve it on sandwiches or in salads. Stop spending money on store-bought products full of additives. Once you try it, you'll never want any other cheese again. This recipe is 100 years old, and it's irreplaceable in the pantry. Put a few garlic cloves and some black peppercorns into each previously sterilized jar. Rinse a bunch of dill in a bowl of water by gently swirling it to remove any dirt. Do the same with the parsley. Place it upside down and rinse it thoroughly. Add the herbs to the jars along with the garlic and pepper. Remove the stems from the tomatoes. Cut them into pieces and fill the jars up to about 2/3 of their height. Add rings from 2 white onions. On top, add a little more chopped parsley and a few extra garlic cloves. Pour warm water over everything, then close the jars and let them sit for about 10 minutes. After that, pour the liquid from each jar into a large pot. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, a pinch of sugar, and a small amount of vegetable oil. Heat it for a few minutes. Pour the hot brine into a pitcher. Into each jar, add a heaping tablespoon of vinegar, and then pour in the prepared brine. Close tightly and turn the jars upside down. Leave them like this for about 12 hours so everything can marinate well. After that time, you can enjoy the taste of a real grandma-style preserve that has lasted through generations. It's the exact same recipe from my grandmother's notebook. Simple and useful in many dishes. No more stubborn labels. With this simple trick, stickers disappear in no time. Rub a little oil onto the jar, then sprinkle it with salt. The salt works like a natural scrub and easily removes sticky residue. Massage it in with circular motions, and the label will come right off. Finally, rinse the glass under running water. Your jar will be clean and clear, without scrubbing or harsh chemicals. This colorful summer jar salad is everything you need to feel both full and light at the same time. It's crunchy, flavorful, and incredibly fresh. Start by chopping a few cucumbers into bite-sized pieces. No need to be too precise. Then grab a kitchen mallet and smash them well until they release their juices and soften. Next, prepare some fresh radishes. Clean them thoroughly and smash them just like the cucumbers. Transfer everything into a large jar, add a generous pinch of salt, and mix everything thoroughly. Using your hands works best to bring all the flavors together. Now it's time for the dressing. In a small saucepan or skillet, gently heat some vegetable oil over low heat. Add a splash of apple cider vinegar, a pinch of sugar, and a few drops of sesame oil. Season with another pinch of salt, and finally, grate in a clove of fresh garlic. Let it heat for about 2 minutes, then remove from the heat. Chop some fresh dill and stir it into the slightly cooled dressing. Pour the dressing into the jar with the veggies, seal the jar, and give it a good shake to combine everything. A crisp, aromatic salad that's perfect for hot days. Thanks to its bold flavor and fresh herbs, it's not just a side dish, it's a true summer hit.